Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. The Bajacaliforniasur Health Safety Committee confirmed that the state will remain in alert level 3, yellow, on the health alert system for the COVID-19 pandemic for the next week. Dr. Victor George Flores, Secretary of Health for Bajacaliforniasur, informed that the numbers have remained at similar levels than past week and that hospital occupancy has stayed below 80 patients, with 71 hospitalized patients this past week. He also mentioned that while an increase in the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases is expected in December, staying at level 3 and having all members of our community continue to observe the sanitary protocols is a good way to continue to manage the presence of COVID-19 in Baja California Sur. Ray Snisky, president of LAG Vacation Group, said that Los Cabos has been the leading tourism board in the world that they work with. It has not been the biggest, but it has been the best one so far. Snisky said this during his participation in the Travel Trends and 2021 Perspectives panel. The panel was moderated by Los Cabos Tourism Board Managing Director Rodrigo Esponda and included Freddy Dominguez, Expedia's Travel Group's Vice President for Latin America and the Caribbean, and Jared Hartman, Vice President and Managing Director of Aviation for IFC, a global consulting firm. Los Cabos' ability to be timely in getting information into the marketplace on safety protocols and being clear and decisive to move quickly has created a great opportunity for Cabo, added Snisky. Similarly, Dominguez said that Los Cabos sets the bar for tourism boards in many parts of the world, adding that Expedia sales for the destination are currently at pre-pandemic levels. For his part, Hartman said Los Cabos serves as the gold standard for communicating with the industry and regaining the trust of travelers. To determine which destinations are faring the best during COVID-19, Snisky said that they need to follow where air capacity is moving, noting that one of the areas that jumped off the page were Mexico beaches, in terms of such destinations as Los Cabos and Cancun. With Europe currently closed to U.S. travelers, and because of the on and off way that some of the islands in the Caribbean have chosen to manage reopening processes, Mexico is leading the recovery, said Dominguez. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great evening, and remember to tune in on Sunday for another edition of Cabomilnews and Community Update with Corey Briggs and Claudia Velo.